Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cameras, the OMBAR dash cam and the Pilot dash camera.
Get ready for some serious road trip action, folks. First up, let's talk about the price. The OMBAR dash cam comes in at $199, which might seem like a hefty investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny.
On the other hand, the Pilot dash camera is priced at $109, making it a more budget-friendly option. But remember folks, you get what you pay for.
Now let's talk about video quality.
The OMBAR dash cam can record videos in front UHD 4K resolution, capturing even the tiniest details like license plates and road signs.
Plus, it has a rear camera that records in FHD 1080p. Talk about a crystal clear view. Moving on to night vision, both cameras have their strengths. The OMBAR dash cam utilizes super night vision technology, ensuring clear footage even in low light conditions. But wait, there's more. It also has a built-in infrared cabin light to capture those important details when the sun goes down. Let's talk about connectivity. The OMBAR dash cam comes with built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. You can easily control it using the Kakam app on your phone. Plus, it records your driving route and speed.
It's like having a personal digital co-pilot.
Now let's talk about storage.
The OMBAR dash cam comes with a 64 GB TF card. But here's the kicker. It supports up to a whopping 512 GB. That's like having your own personal cloud storage for all your road trip memories.
Safety first, folks. The OMBAR dash cam has a G sensor that automatically detects collisions and locks the file to prevent overwriting. It's like having a reliable witness for any accidents or incidents on the road. And finally, let's talk about warranty and support. The OMBAR dash cam comes with a full 12 months warranty, and their after-sale service is available 24/7.
They've got your back, even in the middle of the night. The Pilot dash camera offers a 3-channel system, capturing footage from the front, rear, and even the interior of your vehicle. It's like having your very own surveillance system on wheels.
When it comes to night vision, the Pilot dash camera holds its own.
With a wide aperture and infrared lights, it ensures good color accuracy and captures important details day or night. Safety never sleeps, folks. Parking can be a nightmare, but not with the Pilot dash camera.
It has a 24-hour parking continuous recording function triggered by impact or collision.
You can sleep peacefully knowing your vehicle is protected from theft or vandalism. The Pilot dash camera comes with a free U332 GB micro SD memory card. It automatically overwrites old recordings when the storage limit is reached, ensuring you never miss a moment on the road.
Talk about durability. The Pilot dash camera can handle extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like having a dash camera that's tougher than the rock.
Last but not least, let's talk about support. The Pilot dash camera has a dedicated pre-sales and after-sales team, available 24/7 to answer any questions or concerns you may have. They've got your back no matter what.
Both cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget.
And there you have it, folks. The showdown between the OMBAR dash cam and the Pilot dash camera.
Both cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. Remember, always make an informed decision when it comes to your purchases. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips.
Until next time, stay safe on the road and buy smart.